Number 2, from henceforth, be open and transparent to rebuild the trust. Many people don't realize that when somebody forgives you, when you have committed adultery, it does not restore trust. So, when you get married, you are given trust like that for free. Just given trust like that. When you cheat, that trust is destroyed to nothing. It's destroyed to nothing. Forgiveness does not restore trust to where it was. No. Forgiveness gives you the opportunity to start rebuilding trust. And it can take months, sometimes it can take years to get it there. To fasten the process of rebuilding the trust, you need to be open and transparent. Your phone, if it is to have a pin, it must be removed the pin. It must be open. There's no more calls that are taken outside or whatever. Open, transparent, access to the phone and the whereabouts. And secondly, be open about your whereabouts. Because you needed time in order to be at whatever place to cheat. So be open about your whereabouts. Instead of waiting for your partner to tell you, where are you? What are you doing now? That can be irritating. Be the one who reports, I'm leaving the office now. I'm going to go to the supermarket. When you go to the supermarket, I'm leaving the supermarket, I'm coming back home, I'm going to via through there. Be the one who initiate the transparency, because the process of building is you who needs to build to the point where you can be trusted again. And also be open about financially. You needed money to be able to cheat. So open up financially, your transaction, your openness. And I like what I heard from a couple I was working with 2 weeks ago. She says to me, he initiated the idea that whenever there is a transaction, not only does it send a text message to him, it also sends to me. Every transaction. The man is serious about rebuilding his relationship. The other couple that I also happened in the last 2 weeks around the same issues, she says, I swapped to get a new phone, and he gave the old phone with the SIM card to the wife to say that take care of these messages, take care of the things, and so on going forward.
That was Mashudu Ravhengani, proudly brought to you by Living Power Ministries. You can find us at livingpower.org.za or on WhatsApp at +27 78 215 5737. Living Power, empowering mankind to unleash its full potential.